Yeah, g'day guys, James Fawcett here, and I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer and product creator, and I'm coming at you with my new product, and you guys are getting a complete sneak peek into my new product called Recurrent. Now, if you guys like what you like in this video, make sure you click down below, click subscribe, click the bell, and inside the description box, we've also got the link where you can go grab your own copy with Recurrent, where you can tap into the process where I've generated $4,000 in monthly recurring income, so that's month after month, within the just first 14 days of implementing this system that I'm exposing today. Now, I've structured this in a complete step-by-step training module with proof, a case study how I did it. There's a complete overview of how it works and how you guys can go through and do this. Now, obviously we go through about finding a recurring program that converts. We talk about building a community. We're also talking about you guys getting the ability to promote my seven-figure insider program, where I've been getting awesome results, an exceptional stick rate for people wanting to stay in that community. And we also go through how you guys can build the opt-in funnel, how to do this, the bonus pages, the setup recurrent follow-ups, and integrating the email system. All right, this is your recurring profit system, and this is where all the magic happens. Okay. We also talk about the specific traffic that I use and how to monetize that community for bigger profits. And we also go in how you can white label my bonus stack as well. I'm also giving away bonuses inside. So inside here, you're going to get license rights to the Rebuilds 2.0 and Breakout Code 2.0. So instead of 50%, you're going to get 80%. On top of this, you're going to get the recurring product offer suite. So we're exposing all the products that we've promoted to generate this $4,000, and they work really well. We're also giving you guys a 3-day follow-up sequence. We're also giving you the bonus recurring funnel as well. So we're giving you the exact funnel that we build inside the training. So you guys get that. On top of this, we're giving you my seven-figure breakout system through Affiliate One, and you guys get a free copy of this when you guys pick it up, because when you combine the two, it's an extremely powerful process that you guys can take away and implement immediately. Now, this Affiliate One training is responsible for me generating over $1.9 million in affiliate commissions since February 2020. Now, I have full proof inside the video, which is in the description box. There's a link there to go check that out, and I'll literally show it within the first 5 seconds. All right. So, and there's obviously upgrades available as well if you like to. So the upgrades are, we have the 10x automated profits. We have the recurrent done for you launch stack, where we even show you how you can launch your own recurring program, which is pretty cool. And so if you want to get out there and not have to worry about 50% commissions, and you want to boost that and you want to take responsibility, have complete ownership, we do this in the done for you launch stack. On top of this, we've got the seven-figure insider mentorship program, where you guys come in and we get on a call once a month, right? And a live call inside the group, and we answer all the questions. And literally the last one went for 2 to 3 hours, right? And that was really cool. It was really fun. People were asking a bunch of questions, and we got all answered. We also tap into the exact traffic accelerators to maximize your profits as well. So you guys get access to my exact traffic blueprint, and you get all my buy traffic providers and everything all incorporated. On top of this, you get the unlimited traffic, where you guys get to tap into my traffic and all my pages as well. We got the super affiliate reseller bundle, which is where you guys get boosted commissions on all 14 of my products for a one-time price. So there's no recurring on this one. You get that for one timer, and this means that you can have boosted commissions across the board, okay, on all our one-time pricing. So what is Recurrent? And I'm just going to quickly go through it and tell who's it's for, what it's about. All right, Recurrent is a step-by-step profit system detailing how I was able to generate $4,000 in additional monthly income. So this is additional. Hasn't taken away anything from my current business operations. This is an additional $4,000, right? And it was built for relieving the day-to-day grind of generating income. So instead of starting from zero every single day, I've got now predictable income coming through month after month. So it helps pay for my car payment. It helps paying for my mortgage. It helps go towards rent for anyone that wants to that's renting, right? It also goes towards food, utilities, stuff like that, everyday living expenses. So it frees up more money for you guys to have more time freedom, and go spend more time with family and friends. And for me, especially when I built this, and I had some recurring income coming through when I was in my 9 to 5 before I quit to do all this, I was able to take a few days off work and not have to worry about not getting paid, right? Especially when you're in the United States of America, you don't get paid for sick days. You just take them, right? It's very rare you get paid for sick days here. So in Australia, you do, but here in America, you don't. So this was where I'm just, implementing a system that allows people a bit more time freedom, flexibility. I think this is going to be truly special. And on top of this, like I said, you can work in any niche. So if you like the dating niche, cats and dogs, promoting those type of offers, right? All those type of products, whatever your bread and butter is, all you have to do is find a recurring program and you can build upon that. And we show you how to do all this in the training. It's sustainable, scalable, and easy to set up. So I've literally tailored the training that where you can set it up, literally, start setting up your system within 30 minutes and you can get started, right? Now, in terms of the proof, and this is where the 4,000 comes from, so full transparency, I've done there's one recurring program here, which started out in October, and it's already generated me $1,800. On top here, I created my own offer, which is a 7-figure insider program, and it's already done $1,600 for me, right? Pretty awesome. And then there's another recurring offer here where it's done an additional $600. So this has been a real new lifeblood into my business, and being able to cater for additional expenses as well. Now, who's it for? It can be for anyone at any level that's looking to build sustainable income and even additional income. So if you're a 9 to 5, right, you can plug this in, go to work, come back and check out the results. It can be done like that. And if you're especially getting the runaround of different products and softwares and stuff for this really can be a game changer for you. Because what this is an actual method. You have to literally implement this, and there's no easy software that takes, push button or 1-2 push button. You implement this, and over time, you'll start getting results. All right? Especially when you want to promote my 7-figure insider program, which converts. Now, it's also for experienced affiliate marketers that want to implement a new income stream. So if you're tired of your customers not sticking and you want to be able to, boost that up and have it stick more, make sure that people stay with that program that you're promoting, right? This helps alleviate that stress. And we show you the tactics inside in order to keep that moving so you guys can continue providing value and people will stay. Because especially at this time and especially with the economic market, people are looking for more value. And when you're not providing it, they have every reason to quit. So when you give something to hold on to and more value and something like even a sense of community, people are willing to pay for that. And we show you how to go set that up and take advantage of it. On top of this, we leverage multiple recurring programs. So when you plug this in, it really does, smashes it out of the park, right? So, and then obviously building your own authority as well. So, and what I mean by that in terms of building your own authority, when people come to like and trust you, people are willing to pay more to stay with you. And especially with a high ticket, so if you give them even more of an elevated experience with you, people are willing to pay for that, right? So it's really cool. Now, we truly focus on implementation so you guys can build consistent profits and results. And what I mean by implementation, this means that you come in, you implement it, you do a little bit of work, and where we pretty much, have it half done for you. You come in, you take what we've given you and you implement it, right? And you follow the instructions, take action. And then our goal is to build continuity so these profits continue coming in month after month, long term, and it's sustainable, right? So here's how it works, and these are simple steps. Step 1, purchase Recurrent. You can't do this without it. And you can get it for a one-time price of $16.97. At the end of launch, it will go up to $47. It will not be coming back down. I will not be doing a resale on it. And the price from this $16.97 is rising every single hour. So it launches on November 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, New York time. Okay, so there's a link down below. So after 9 a.m. on November 18th, you can go pick up Recurrent for $16.97 within the first hour. Every hour after that, the price will rise. All right. So, and I can't tell you how much it rises by because it depends on the number of sales come through. So the first in, best dressed. On top of this, we're giving you guys a 60-day money back. So if you show our team that you didn't get any results and they're able to assist you in getting results, we're going to provide you a full refund. So there's no risk for you, right? So you implement what we've given you in the training, you go ahead, and if you don't get any results, we'll just refund you. All right. So step 1, purchase Recurrent. 2, once you purchase it, implement what we show you in our proven profit machine, and you'll be able to get that done within 30 minutes if you go through the training. Then you'll be able to start instantly generating recurring commissions and profits going through this. Okay. So you can't do this without actually implementing it. And then all you have to do is repeat step 2. All right. So just continue the process over and over and over and over and over. You know, just takes an hour, 30 minutes to an hour every day once you get it going, and you're golden. So, like I said, $16.97 one time, and the price is rising every hour. All right, guys. So, and it launches at November 18th, and the launch ends on November 25th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So what this means, after this time, this price will rise to $47. Okay? So you have until the 25th to pick it up. Obviously, you want to get in as soon as you can around here. The quicker you get it in, the better. And you get it for $16.97 if you pick it up in the first hour of launch. So I fully recommend that you guys go to that link below at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, even bookmark it, jump on the computer in the morning. First thing you do, go grab your copy. If you want any upgrades, they all complement the entire process, and they bring a larger level of experience to the recurrent process. And I've geared that in a way that's easy to do and easy to follow. Okay, that's what upgrades are for. So there are upgrades available, and I'll quickly go through them for you. So with the upgrades, there's a 10x profit, automated profits. Okay. There's also the Recurrent Done For You Launch Stack, which is the second one. Now, the Recurrent Done For You Launch Stack, I've actually given you guys training on how you can build your own recurring program, and I've given you guys the templates to start that. All right? And I've given you instructional videos on all the elements that you need to use and how you can implement this quite quickly. So, and on top of that, if you don't want to do your own, I've also got everything that you need as an affiliate. I've got the funnels, I've got the emails, I've got a whole bunch of high ticket offers you can promote where they don't require any additional investment. We've given you guys done for you, guaranteed approval on all my products, and you guys get access to all that through our Done For You Launch Stack. So we're literally alleviating all the unnecessary stress through that one. We've also got the 7-Figure Insider Mentorship Program where you guys can come in and I jump on a call for 2 to 3 hours once a month and I'll answer all your questions. On top of that, you get access to the community so you can post in the questions in the group and my team will help you get them answered. And this just brings, a whole level of new support and being able to tap into my knowledge, mark new trends and everything. And you guys will be able to jump into that. On top of this, you're going to get access with the upgrade you're going to get the traffic accelerators. Okay. Now this entails everything you need to maximize your profits, more traffic, more buyer traffic coming through, and it's a really huge benefit to your business. I've spent over $700,000 with this traffic. It's generated me $2 million. 1.3 million in profit. Pretty good. On top of this, you're going to get the unlimited traffic as well, upgrade. And this is where you can stick it. You can tap into my traffic on all my sales pages, and you can build your audience of full suite of buyers. And you know, getting this traffic, just getting access to this traffic is tough enough as it is, and without having to, you know, create your own products and everything. And we've got this at a heavily discounted price for you guys to tap into. On top of that, we've got the super reseller bundle, and where we give you guys 80% commissions instead of 50 across all 14 of my active products. All right. So what that means is that you get this is incorrect. It's actually 14. So you guys get huge commission bumps on all the one-time products in there, and you guys will be able to get access to that. All right, guys. So I'm looking forward to you guys smashing with the Recurrent. Make sure you come back here at 9 a.m. November 18th in the morning, New York time. Pick it up, because this is rising every single hour. It'll be up to, you know, past $17 in no time, right? And the quicker you get hold of it, the better. Like I said, there's no risk. 60-day money back. If you show your results, you show you what you non-result with our team, and they're unable to assist you with you further, we'll provide you a full refund. All right, guys. And then once it hits November 25th at 11:59, it will be rising to $47, and that price will not be coming down. So there won't be any second chances. So grab Recurrent within the launch time, and I look forward to you guys crushing it with Recurrent. Cheers.